Hello students, this is Sunil Naik and in this video I am going to explain about the paper folding and cutting. Already I have made the video regarding the mirror image. If you watch that mirror image video clearly, it will be easy for you. So let us say what is the concept of the paper folding. First to understand what is the concept of paper folding and how it will work. Then only we can answer the questions. And regarding the paper cutting, students, you can see here there are 4 questions in the exams and each question carries 1.25 marks. 4 questions total carries 5 marks. So let us see the concept of this paper folding and cutting. So here students, if in this they will give 3 problem figures and one and after that they will give 4 answer figures in that which is suitable. We have to find out. But I will make you understand the concept first here. So just think that it is on paper. It is on paper piece. Okay. In this, if we will make this 2 part, so we have to fold like this. They will show here how we have to fold. If we fold like this for this paper, then what will be the answer? If it is actually very simple, only one folding is there. So if we fold and we will make one circle here, small circle, so what will be the answer? Let's see here. We can see here students, if it is folding one time, then we have to take this as a mirror image. So for this reason only, already I told you, if you watch my mirror image video, it will be helpful. See here, just think that it is a mirror image. So only one folding is there. If one circle is there, okay. If we cut this one, what will be the answer? The answer will be like this. It's like mirror image. So here only one folding, so one concept. So let's see if the foldings are more. Students, you can see here if the folding are more. So this is the first folding. And they will give here. This is the second folding again. Okay. If the foldings are more, what we have to do? We have to do the same process. Means we have to use the mirror concept image. You have to use the mirror image concept. Then we have to come from last to first. Means here first step we have to see here. Here we have to think this is as a mirror image. If they will give here circle, so what will happen next? So here you can see here students, one circle is there, mirror image. If in question they will give this one, so it will come here because we have to take it as a first step. We have to take this as a mirror image. Second step we have to take this as a mirror image. So here 2 circles are there, means how many circles will come here left side? 2 circles. Means the concept, if we fold 2 times and we have to make one circle, means we cut this one. If you cut this small circle, then after folding that we can see there 4 circles in the paper. Like this, we have to understand. This is the concept about the paper folding and cutting. Here we have to clearly we have to see how they are folding and how they are cutting. So what will happen if they will give one X here? So you can guess here, same process. The X, if it is X here, again X will come here and this X will come here in all 4 sides. Okay, students, this is how to understand this one. They may give circle, they may give triangle. Depending upon that, you have to solve. Now I am going to explain some of the problems regarding this one, paper cutting. After that, it will be perfect to you. So students, let us see here, the question will be like this. In exam, they will ask like these questions. So here there will be 3 problem figures, and they will give 4 answer figures. In that which is suitable, you have to choose. So here students, here one paper is there. So in that, this is the first folding, this side. Okay, this arrow mark we have to observe, and after that here again second folding is there. After this second folding, what they have did, so they have made 2 square boxes here. Okay students, now already I told you from last to first we have to go. Last means this is the folding, so means we have to think only this one is as a mirror image. Okay friends, this one as a mirror image you have to think. And what happens if this will goes here? Only think about this part first, then automatically you will get this part. Okay, I will solve here by using the paper here. See here students, you can see this one. You can see here only this is there. First we have to think about first part. They have given here 2 squares. Students, first part will be this one. This folding means we have to think this as a mirror image. Okay, and this as mirror image means we will get here one box and here one square. Okay, after this folding is there, so this as a mirror image you have to take. Okay, if you take this as a mirror image, automatically we will get here also one square and here also one small square, and this corner and this one here. Okay students, now let's see here a question and answer. Now you can guess which is the answer. Already I told you. Okay, right answer, that is fourth one is the answer. This is the answer. So I have drawn here. Students, like this we have to find the answer. So one more example I will explain you. So students, let's see here one more example regarding this paper cutting and folding. See here, this one is the first folding, here second folding. Okay, already I told you first we have to observe how many folds are there. If only one fold is there means only single mirror image. 2 folds are there means first this mirror image, after that second mirror image. So here in third and after this folding they have make a line here. You can see this one. So what will be the answer? So students, we can make here part. So here one folding is there means we have to take first this as a mirror image. If you take this mirror image means the line will come here like this. Okay students, now after that this as a mirror image. So cleanly observe this one. This as a mirror image we have to see students. After if this here is mirror image means the same will be comes here and here. Okay, now this will be the answer. Now you can see, you can find this type shape in the question figure. In the answer figures you can find this shape. So in the second option, so this will be the right answer. Okay friends, I hope you all understood this one. If you have understood, please comment me in comment box. If you not understood, that also you can comment me, so that I will do one more video regarding this one. In next video I will bring some more examples regarding the paper cutting. Thank you students. Keep watching and stay at home and stay safe.